Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you basically a Canva clone GIF editor that I developed inside React.js. This is the application that we will be building in this tutorial. I will show you this is the actual project that I built right here, and this allows you to actually edit your GIF files similar to Canva. Canva is actually a very popular editor website, and we basically make a clone of it, which have most of the features. It is you can edit the speed of the GIF animation. So here you need to first of all select your GIF animation, and let me select this GIF animation, which is 6 megabytes. As I select this, basically the file is selected, and you just need to wait depending upon the size of the GIF animation. So when the GIF animation will successfully load, it will show you on the left hand side. You will see now the GIF animation is playing right here. So this application encapsulates, you will see, the user will see the live preview of the GIF animation as you are editing it. Now you can actually change the speed of the GIF animation. If you decrease it using this slider, the speed will decrease, and now you can see automatically it updates, and it just shows you the animation speed right here. You can control it by this slider. If you increase the value of the slider, then the speed of the GIF animation will increase. As you can see that the speed is increasing. So you can just in real time you can control the speed right here in this very awesome application that I developed. And this I used Fabric.js, and I used a open source library, Gifshot. I will show you all the dependencies that I used for this project. So you can see you can control the speed of the GIF animation using this slider, and it will automatically update on the left hand side where the GIF animation will say. And also you can play it in reverse order as well by selecting this by playback effect. So now the GIF animation will play in the reverse order. So you can customize all these things, guys. You can increase the speed, you can reverse the GIF animation, and then if you want to compress the size of the GIF animation, then you can select the quality of the GIF animation, 240, 360p, 720, or original image size. So you can also compress the size as well. So let's suppose I want to compress the size, so I will select 240, and then you can select the image quality, standard quality, compression, high quality, high definition, original picture. So if I select compression here, it will compress the size. And let me select this to this one, and there is a button out there which lets you export this GIF animation. Since I click this, so it will basically export the frames, and it will show you this progress bar. Once it is completed, it will now export this. You can simply download this, and it will download this as a particular location, so I can save this. So you can see it has been reduced to 3.5 megabytes. The original size were 8 megabytes. So you can play this now. You can see the GIF animation is slightly compressed, and the size has been reduced, and it is playing in the reverse direction. So in this way, guys, you can edit your GIF files very easily. And we have various effects. You can write text as well on the GIF animation. So there is a second option right here, GIF filter. So there are various filters that you can apply here. This is the actual original picture GIF animation. So if I want to change it to black and white, we can change to black and white GIF animation. You will see in real time the picture has been changed to black and white, this GIF video. Similarly, high contrast. So all these filters are pre-built by me, and you can see that if you want the brightness, dark, reverse color, you will see that. So all these filters are pre-built inside this editor. So if you need this application, guys, full editor, the link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code, and this is entirely built in React.js. So you can see after you purchase it, you will get a zip file from Google Drive. You can actually extract the content of this zip file. You will get this directory structure which will actually contain all the source code for this project. And now you can see that we are running this project on localhost 8000. So we are running locally, and all these filters are available here. You can see that blur filter, this is a noise filter, threshold filter, nostalgia filter, inverse filter. So this makes it very much easy. If you have seen these GIF animations on the internet having various filters applied to it, so then we have got the next section called as text animation. So now if you want to add some text on the GIF animation, let's suppose right here I will simply write cat coding. So we can just add this, and we can even add some animation to this text. You can see that this is a zoom animation, or we can add a flash animation like this, or a jitter animation like this. So these animations you will not see on Canva, guys, Canva website, but I built this using Scratch, using Fabric.js and all those awesome animation libraries. You can see the gradients as well. So whichever animation that you like, if you want to export that, so it will export this animation. Depending upon how much filters that you have applied, you just need to wait for the animation to complete, and now you can simply download your GIF file with the modified changes. And now if you open this now, your GIF file, it will now have this awesome little filter applied to it. It has been changed to black and white, and also the text is appearing with is flashing animation. So it looks really good, guys. If you want to share these GIF animations on social media, it will viral. It will go viral as well. It will get a lot of views as well. So it's a you can get this editor. The link is given. You can directly purchase the full source code, and you can even deploy this editor inside your own website. After purchase, you will get full commercial rights. You can use this editor, and you can put advertisements and earn revenue using Google AdSense as well. You can just place an advertisement just before the editor, after the editor, and you have seen websites like this on the internet, very few. So I just developed this editor for you. If you are interested, you can do that. You can even delete that as well by clicking the delete option. You can add multiple text as well. If you want to add another text right here, you can change the color by using color picker. You can see that the color will change right here. You can change the color. So as you select, the color will change right here. You will see that. So you can add multiple text. So this will have this animation, jitter animation. This has this flashing animation. So you can even change fonts as well, guys. Various languages are supported. You can see that. Sans serif. You can even upload your own custom font, guys. Let's suppose you are want to use a custom font. You can just go to Google Fonts, and you just need to upload your TTF file. So whichever font that you want, you can download that font TTF file. So if you want to use this font, you need to download a TTF file. So just extract this TTF file. You will see it will be there. So now inside this editor, you can simply upload your TTF file. Just select that, loading successful. So now you can see it has been added. Your custom font has been added, guys. You will see that. So you can use any custom font of your language. Go to Google Fonts, and if you're living in any country, you need to use your own native font. You can even use that native font. There is an option right here to actually upload your local font, so it will get added. You can see that. So it is very easy, guys. You can place it anywhere else. You can just place it. You can increase the size, decrease the size. If you just want to add a watermark image, there is also an option. If you want to copyright your GIF animation, there is a second action, sticker. You can add some stickers. Pre-built stickers are also available. You can add these stickers. So these are pre-built, and inside the application there is a directory called as static. You can basically upload some more custom stickers of your own. You can just delete, add custom stickers. Just select it and delete this, or you can upload your own images that you want to do. If you want to add your own images, you can even add this overlay like this. Just a simple watermark, you can add this, and now just need to export that. So you will see it will now export your GIF animation, so by this awesome little progress bar. So it's a nice little application, guys, and now you can save your GIF animation anywhere on your. So you will see the image will also appear as a watermark, and this is the actual various. You can just customize that. I'm not good at designing, so it you can anyway you can design your GIF animations, and then you can actually export them, and you can compress this as well. I showed you. You can increase the speed of the GIF animation as well, decrease the GIF animation speed like this. Playbacks normal. If you want to have original size, the original picture as well, so it will not be compressed. Now if you export that, the GIF animation will remain the same. It will not be compressed. It will be staying at its original picture. That's why it is taking a lot of time. You can see that earlier on it was compressed, so it was taking less time. So depending upon your GIF animation size, it will take time. You just need to wait. After 100%, it will export your GIF animation so that you can download your GIF animation on side your directory. So this is actual editor, guys. Canva clone kind of an editor, especially for GIF files. If you are interested, the link is given in the description of the video. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get a zip file. You just need to extract the uh, files, and then simply run the command npm run start. It will start this at a locally inside your development server, this application, and you can run it inside the browser. And the main benefit of running this application, guys, it's entirely coded in JavaScript, React.js, and it is totally client side. So no server side code is involved. So entire code is in JavaScript. So so the entire application works in the browser. You don't need any third-party library. You don't need any third-party software. It works in entirely in the browser. So it works very efficiently. So you can see we are running it on localhost 8000, and no server is running. It is entirely working in the browser. So now let me show you the code, guys, what you will get after you do this. So let me show you actual dependencies that we are using for this. So as you can see, we are using React framework, and then we are also using Fabric.js, which is a anime canvas library, which allows you to export your canvas to video. This is a very good library, Fabric.js, open source JavaScript library. And then we are using Gifshot and libgif. So these are two open source libraries. If you just search for, first of all, Fabric.js, it's a canvas library for JavaScript, and so it's an open source library. So this library is free, and it's open source, and many open source animation related projects are made based upon this library. So I use this library. And the second one I used, which is libgif, which is a it's again a library for passing the GIF and image data. So it's a Node.js module which is 1503 weekly downloads. So we use this, and also we use this package which is Gifshot. It's a You can search these all these packages right here. So it's a JavaScript library that can create animated GIFs from video streams such as webcam. So we are using this package which is 2441 weekly downloads. So it's a good library, and it allows you to create your GIF animations from videos. So we are actually using this library inside our project to actually show the GIF animation live preview. As you basically make the changes, we are actually updating the GIF animation based upon the changes that you make inside the editor. So all these libraries are interlinked to actually create this awesome project that you see in the browser. And uh, and for the UI, we are actually using this Ant, which is a UI framework for React.js for actually building this application. So This is all guys for the dependencies section, and coming to the source code, we have different components. First we have canvas. This is the editor, uh, main editor component. We have this, it is coded in TypeScript, not it's a superset of JavaScript with additional features such as compilation, type checking. So TypeScript is similar to JavaScript, but it's a superset. So we have various components out there, guys, and if you have some knowledge of React.js, you can even modify this application according to your own needs. But I just coded this entire application. You don't need to modify anything. You just need to learn how I made this. So it's very good application. You can do this thing. If you are interested, the link is given. You can see all the components have this. We are using. So, and you will see that we are using this Fabric library, Fabric.js. So these are different effects that we are using, which is zoom effect, which is, it will scale it. This is the animate effect that we are using. This is flashing animation, jitter animation, gradient animation. So we have defined all these animations in the array structure. These are different effects that we have inside the GIF editor. And these are different fonts that we are using, which is italic, bold, and normal. These are pre-made default fonts. We have declared this all these arrays with the default options. This is text related, so various sections. If you see in the application, we have four section for the attributes, filter, animation, text animation, and sticker, whatever. We have four sections out there. For these four sections, we have four different files here, which is first one, second one, third one, fourth. So four components are there in this editor tab pane. So this editor is made up of four components, each having its own TypeScript file. And you can see this is actual code. So we have defined all qualities right here: compression, standard quality, high definition, original picture. And these are different: reverse, normal. So if you have some knowledge on React.js, you will be able to uh, see the code working. This is the actual canvas. You can see that. So here we are resolving the GIF here, showing the live preview. These are different functions out there. You can see that. We are also using for managing the state, we are also using Redux, because you can see the dispatch function. So for managing the data and the state inside React.js, we are using Redux for actually managing the state of the application. So this is the actual application, guys. If you are interested, the link is given. I showed you all the dependencies that we are using for this project. You will get a zip file. You just need to extract the zip file and just run npm run start. You just need to say npm run start. It will run your development server. It will compile the application. It will run this application on localhost 8000, and you just need to open it inside the browser and it will work. If you still face any problem, you can contact me at my email address, and I will therefore help you. So please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and I will be seeing you guys in the next video.